Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can set a custom sound for comment notifications on Google Drive. If you often collaborate with others, you know how important it is to get notified when someone leaves feedback. By customizing the notification sound, you'll never miss an important update again. Let's get started, step by step. First, grab your phone and open your device settings. This is where we'll make all the changes. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for the option called Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of all the applications installed on your phone. Next, scroll down until you find Google Drive and select it. This opens up the app's specific settings, giving you more control over how Google Drive works on your device. From here, tap on Notifications. This section is designed so you can manage exactly which types of alerts you want to receive from the app. To go even deeper, look for notification categories and tap on it. This option organizes the kinds of notifications Google Drive can send, and it allows you to customize each one individually. Now, find the category labeled Comments. This is the one we want because it controls alerts when someone leaves a comment on your shared files or folders. Tap on Comments, and you'll see additional options for how those notifications behave. Finally, tap on Sound. This is where you can choose the exact tone you'd like to hear whenever a new comment arrives. You'll be able to pick from your phone's default tones, or if your device allows, you can even select a custom sound or ringtone. Once you've chosen your preferred tone, simply confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom notification sound for Google Drive comments on your phone. From now on, you'll know instantly when someone leaves feedback, and the sound you picked will help you recognize it right away. Thanks for watching.